All right, man. So hold on. Let's actually clear this chart. Um, let's clear this chart. See price is. This was a trade. I would have got in, but the market's just open. So technically, hold on. Let me close my door. So actually, the forex markets just open, but the spreads are high because this isn't an ideal time to trade. But my strategy is basically supply and demand. And see, this trade is a winning trade. This is a 1-to-1 already. But look, so if you notice, I'm on the 5-minute chart. Let's go to the hour. So according to this chart, if you look at market structure, which I'll probably make a video based upon that, but let's draw this trend line, and price is doing what? This is a high, then a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Price is in the downtrend. Hold on, let me check. Let me see something. I might be able to put in a trade if the spreads are normal. Let's see. Nah, spread is 70 on Euro USD. It's normally like 23 on this broker I use. Yeah. But anyway, you can always catch an opportunity. So I'm not gonna chase it, but so let me clear this chart. Hold on. Save Forex. Hide these indicators. So this is the same pair. This is Euro USD, but you can do this on any chart. So you basically want to identify the trend, downtrend, which we did on the 1 hour as well. You notice downtrend, price is trending down. You wait for breaker structure, broke this structure, came back up, tapped into this area, then continued to fall down. So let me clear this. Clear. I don't want to remove that. Hold on. There we go. Let's go to back testing. Let's go to this chart. Okay, yeah, and it's nice and monotone. So 5-minute chart, what you're looking for is impulsive moves, right? Like steep moves. So we look all the way up here around this price 1.157. Price was here. The price drastically sold off. This was Friday, Halloween. So this would be considered a supply zone, right? When price get right here, the number should go under, right? Price should tap in here and go under because this is a strong sell-off zone, supply zone. And currently here we have, I guess you can consider this demand zone. Price tapped in here, but it bounced. So these are buyers moving the price up, number go up. And these are the sellers moving the price down, number go under. But because the overall trend is trending down, it is a trending down. You don't really want to look for buys. You want to see price continue to break structure. But what I mean by break structure is like create a new low. So this is the lowest price has been recently. Like go back in, this is where price has been recently. So this is a new low. What you will want to see is price. Even here, this could be a supply zone, a minor supply zone. But you'll see price do something like this, tap in here and then fall. Right? Right, play around. But if you want to see it break this, right, that'd be a breaker structure. So when you do that, okay, price is telling you, hey, I still want to fall. I still want to go under. I want to go under. NGU, I want to go under. Number go under. So what price can do and what you would want it to do, maybe tap into this retest, right? Retest this breaker structure and then continue to fall. Right? Something like that. Ideally, this is what we can see over the next few hours, day, maybe even 2 days, maybe. Let me see, when was the 21st? Yeah, this can happen in the next 2 days. Now, for number go up. So if you're betting on the price to go up or you think it's going to go up, you will have to wait, right? For price to break, to create a change of character. So break structure going up. So you will want to see price do something like this. Break that structure, right? And that will be considered a change of character. If it broke these highs, especially this high. Now it's a possibility that price will continue to go up. And at least tap into this supply zone where we see is sellers here because this price went under, number went under, NGU number go under. So this is telling us the seller is sitting here. So if price does break this structure, you can take buys up until this point. This will be your take profit level, right? This zone here, anywhere in here, take profit just to play it safe. Now, price can do one of two things. Well, three things. Price can consolidate, trade sideways, look around, and then it could shoot up, not straight up. It's possible you might get a long, a strong candle to the upside, or if not that, right? What price can do is I can go here, reject, test this area, maybe go back up, reject again, break this zone, go all the way back down here, right? So we don't know what price is going to do. Our job is to be patient and react, right? Wait for our zones to be tapped into and pay attention to how price behaves in those areas. And it's as simple as that. And I'm going to make a lot more videos, to and be more actually like structured so I can explain to y'all, I guess, more clear. But yeah, price has memory. So price is telling you, hey, I've been here before, but when I was in this area, I sold off. Seller stepped in. When I came here, consolidated a lot. Price moved sideways. That's consolidation. Just collecting orders, and then it made a decision. Bam, we'll fall some more. So now today is Sunday. Price can continue to fall back into this zone. And then what I'm going to pay attention to is how does price react? Does price tap into the zone and want to shoot up? Does price come here, play around, and then break? Then I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna wait. Price will come back up. Then I'm going to I'm going to bet on the number going under. But if it does the opposite, price can tap into the zone, shoot up, and go back up here. Or it might even only just go here, and then reject, come back down. So this could be like you take partials here, you unload here to secure profits, or if price, breaks above this strongly, you can ride it all the way up to this area, or this other green area. So again, I'm gonna be bringing y'all more educational videos, breaking down how I see things, how I'm learning. I'm still learning. I'm only 5 years into trading, and this go around, I've been on and off with it, but this time I'm taking it a lot more serious. I'm studying a lot more, and I'm focused on just one strategy. I used to do supply and demand. I used to wait for um, break and like retest trend lines. I used to look at any strategy I came across, breakout trades. I used to look at them. Okay, let me try that. Let me try that. But I'm really focused on this supply and demand. The NGU strategy is what I call it. Number go up, number go under. You get what I'm saying? And it's been working. I've been having, it's like my third trading week with Forex. I'm in the green. I'm being patient, waiting for my setup. I'm not rushing it. And things been looking good. So, yeah, man, hopefully we have a good trading week. And be sure to join my free Discord and Telegram. Link is in the description. And yeah, I'll catch y'all.